Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the NordVPN ad blocker feature. Before we start, if you want to try NordVPN at a great price, you can check out the link below. Some online ads are irritating, while others can be genuinely dangerous. A single careless click may lead to malware infections, stolen personal information, or even financial loss. Fortunately, there is a safer way to browse the internet. The ad blocker included with NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro is designed to help protect you from these risks. Simply open the NordVPN app, tap the shield icon, and enable the Ad and Tracker blocking option within Threat Protection Pro. NordVPN encrypts your online traffic while blocking disruptive and potentially harmful pop-ups the moment you enter a website. In addition to ad blocking, it offers extra protection against online threats, including fake online stores that can mislead even the most cautious shoppers. The certified fake shop detection feature built into Threat Protection Pro helps ensure you do not fall victim to scams. The ad blocker works with all major browsers, and if ads still appear, switching off proxies on your device or browser can help resolve the issue. And that's it. Do not forget to check out the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.